This is Ambligola, my birthplace, located in Shikaripura taluk of Shimoga district. In the entrance of the village, there is a temple called Veeranjaneya Temple. This is our family temple. The statue was brought by my father, and all the others have involved and built a small temple which is there in the entrance of Ambligola. The Ambligola is a very quiet place, very serene place, very clean place, and there is no much pollution here. The air is very clear and air is very clean, water is also clean, and I enjoy time that I spend here. And whenever I have time, whenever I feel like coming here, I just come here and stay here for a while and go. So we are building a house in Ambligola. We had an old house, now we are building a new house. I'm on the second floor of the house that is being constructed. On the back side you will see the temple. This side my fields are there, and this side is the school. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. We'll meet again in the next video with some other topic.